In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Microsoft Teams meeting invite. We'll walk through two simple ways to share a Teams meeting, creating a quick meeting link you can send right away, and scheduling a meeting for a specific date and time. Both options are built right into Teams and only take a moment once you know where to look. Start by opening Microsoft Teams. In the main navigation, go to the Meet area. Here, choose Create a Meeting Link. This option is great when you need something fast without setting up a full calendar event. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive title so people know what it's about at a glance. Then select Create and Copy Link. Teams will generate a unique meeting URL and copy it to your clipboard instantly. You can paste that link anywhere you communicate with your participants, such as email, chat, or a project channel. Right below the meeting, you'll also see a share link option. Use that if you want to send the invite directly through Teams or to quickly copy it again. A quick tip: keep your title short but specific and let participants know the purpose and any prep they might need when you send the link. Most people can join from a browser, even if they don't have the Teams app installed. If you're planning ahead, you can also schedule a meeting from the same Meet area. Select Schedule a Meeting. This opens a scheduling page where you can enter a title, add members by typing their names or email addresses, and set the date and time. If your team spans different regions, double check the time zone so everyone gets the right time. You can include a brief agenda in the description field to help attendees prepare and stay on track. Once everything looks right, press save. Teams will display a confirmation dialog where you can copy the meeting link. You can share that link directly, and if your organization's settings are enabled, attendees may also receive the scheduled invitation on their calendars automatically. That's all there is to it. Use Create a Meeting Link for quick ad hoc calls and schedule a meeting when you need a formal time slot with invitees. Before you send, it's a good idea to test the link by opening it in a new tab just to confirm it loads as expected. And if your organization uses a lobby or waiting room, let participants know they might need to wait to be admitted. With these steps, you'll be sending polished professional Teams invites in no time.